Once you are in your mobile app and you are in the file section, you have access to My Master Jobs, open files. But what happens if you want to view any files that are closed? To do so, come to the top right-hand corner, and just to the left of the speedometer is your closed files icon. Click on that icon, it will take you to the closed file screen. From here, you can type into the box or click in the open field, and that will bring up all of your closed jobs that are in your system. From there, if you want to go back to your open files, go to the top right-hand corner, click on the icon located just left of the speedometer. That will bring you back to all of your open files and your master jobs.